Hey, Lynette here, and these are the Boxycharm spoilers for the month of September, brought to you guys by my subscription addiction. As we do always, we will have the full list of spoilers in the description box below, and definitely make sure you like and subscribe if you love spoilers just like I do. So let's get into those spoilers. Okay guys, so what did you think of the Boxycharm spoilers for September so far? Definitely let me know in the comments section below. And of course, like always, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss the next Boxycharm spoiler. Have a good day, guys.